Hello. In this video, we're going to review how to use a flow to locate wells that have specific data. So a lot of times you're only going to want to work with a specific subset of your total wells. Um, and a lot of times the quick filters within the petrophysical interpretation are enough to get you through this, but maybe perhaps you're only interested in working on a group of wells that are specific to, let's say, a certain zone, and that can provide you with the information needed to get a certain property. So the way we do this in flows is we start off with our log input. In the log input block, all we'll need to do is select our relevant database. Then we'll move to the CPI log calc block. And what we're going to do here is we'll actually choose what equation it is that we want to focus on. In this case, I only want to see the curves or the wells that are affecting my average total porosity map. So I'm going to select my average VT. Perhaps you want to set this for your oil in place summary or your hydrocarbon pore volume summary. If so, you would just change out average VT and you could select, let's say, hydrocarbon pore volume summary. Now this will generate a set of points for each curve and for each zone. So what we'll want to do is filter that down. So first of all, we're going to filter it by zone. In this case, I'm going to choose my Eagleford zone here. And then I'm going to apply a second filter. And this is done by a points select block. In this case, instead of filtering by value, as I've done here, I'm going to filter by an expression. And in this expression, I've said exclamation mark, which is not, is nan, so is not a nan value for value. And this will only select the non-null values, and then we'll write those out to a set of well points. To run this, we just hit the play button in the top center, and we'll go through our normal initializing, running, and finished. Then this output set of points can be used to within the petrophysical interpretation where you specifically filter down to a specified well set. So this way we'll only be working in our petrophysical interpretation on the specific set of wells that provide the data that we need to calculate in this case, a hydrocarbon pore volume in the Eagleford formation. So this is a way that allows us to find that relevant data.